we pulled over. We went to, this is Route 1 in Elkridge, a little bit past Daniel's Biker Bar. There's a bunch of trash in this little pullover spot here. I wanted to get behind me, back to that guardrail, and around here and up. There's a ton of trash on that other side too, I can see. But, you know, I don't think there's a good way to get over there. I'm not playing Frogger. Maybe I could park down there and walk up on that side of the guardrail. But for now, I'm just gonna check this out and see what this looks like. Get out of my truck and just, you know, try to clean up this little area. It's like in between thunderstorms, so I don't know how long I'll be here. So we'll see, you know, what the day holds. It's late, it's like 3 o'clock. So let's get started. Yeah, look at this. This looks nice, doesn't it? This looks real nice. It's like a dumping ground. Unfortunately, it's high traffic here. But I think we'll just try to clean up this little tiny area and then get up to that guardrail there and see what that looks like. I don't think I'll make it across the street. There's all this. Yeah, clearly the time to do this was in the winter. Just look at all that stuff over there. Crazy. All right. Let's get some bags out and see what we can do here as the rain comes. All right, guys, 3 bags. One of them was already here, but you know, I would like to get over there and clean that up, but I think it's just too damn dangerous. This road, I'm tucked in a little bit, but man, the traffic, you know, there's a lull. It's so bad all the way up the hill too. I don't think I'm going to do it. I think it's just too dangerous. And all that there, you know, this is probably a winter project because there's definitely ticks and poison ivy out. Got, you know, I treated my boots, but I'm still nervous about ticks and poison ivy, so maybe we'll just call this here. Can't get it all, there's just so much of it, but maybe I'll go up the hill and turn around and check it out on the way back. We'll see what it looks like, but I think I'm done here. Sad to say, I have to just leave that for now. Okay guys, on the way home I stopped at, this is Ridge, what I call Can Alley, and got some cans. All these cans were on that one little stretch, maybe a quarter mile that way, mostly White Claw. Got a couple boxes of White Claw, 1, 2, so how many's in this? 12, so there might be, it seems like there's way more than 24, but start another sack of cans, and then I got this other bucket of trash here that I've started. There is so much poison ivy coming out down there, it is crazy. Like, the areas that I walked in a few weeks back are now off limits to me, probably until December time frame or later. It's just, there's just so much poison ivy now. That's about a third of a sack of cans. Yeah, today was kind of disappointing in that that stretch of Route 1 is just too dangerous, you know. I thought I could get to it, but nah, it's too dangerous. Too much traffic, too fast, too much traffic. So we are going to probably put a ticket in with the state and see if they'll come and clean that up. I don't know if they will, because, you know, they're strapped for resources. Everybody hates paying taxes, but we don't have automatons or robot droids to come out and clean that up yet. And we all know how that worked out in the Animatrix. So I'll put a ticket in and see what happens. I don't think I'm going to go up this stretch. I'll save this for next time. Up all the way to the bridge, but I might pull over up further up and pick up some stuff. So let me load this stuff up and get home. Well, let me load this up, get up to the next spot, and then get home. Well, deja vu, right? I mean, I was just here. I was just in this spot, and once again, people just come out here and throw all their trash on the ground, I guess. Enjoy a nice fast food meal, and then it all goes on the ground, because yay America. So let me just clean up some of this stuff. Get a couple buckets. Got a nice poacher's leavings right here. I smelled that last time. That was what it was. It was this dead freaking carcass. So yeah, let's check this. Watch out for poison ivy. But do a quick little roundup here and then get home. Earlier. There's all the stuff in the woods up there again. Trash. Trash, trash. Everywhere's trash. Sad, man. One bucket. Just dump this one bucket. And then call it a day.